Jade. Today I'm going to make Malaysian vegetable curry. It's one of my favorite Malaysian curries. Let's look at the ingredients.
First, let's prepare the curry paste. We need lemongrass, galangal, candle nut or macadamia nut, dried red chili, garlic, red onion or shallot, and fresh red chili. Blend everything into a fine paste. You can also add some water if you have problem blending it. Dish up the curry paste and set aside. Now we have our aromatic curry paste. We can start chopping up the vegetables. Cut cabbage, eggplant, tomato, okra, snake bean, red chili, green chili, and deep fried tofu puffs into bite-sized pieces. Turn the heat to medium. Add oil and saute the curry paste until fragrant. Add stock or water and coconut milk. Bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to low. Simmer for about 5 minutes or until slightly thickened. Next, add in the eggplant, cabbage, tomato, red chili, green chili, deep fried tofu puffs, and bring to a boil. Put the lid on, reduce the heat, and simmer until the vegetables are tender for about 15 minutes. Now we can add okra and snake beans. Simmer for 5 minutes or until the beans are bright green. Season to taste with salt before serving. Serve hot. You'll need plenty of rice to go with this delicious curry. Enjoy! Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!